Now that you've installed your dimmer, it's time to program it. The soft-tap Tru-Universal Dimmer includes settings for minimum and maximum trim levels, which are the minimum and maximum light levels that can be obtained. In addition, you can customize the dimmer's settings to support both forward and reverse phase dimming. Start by turning power to the dimmer on at the breaker box. Upon powering up, the dimmer will go through an automated procedure to set its minimum trim level based on the light attached to it. To manually set the minimum trim level, which will override the level set automatically by the dimmer, hold the paddle button down by pressing on the minus sign until minimum brightness is reached. Continue to press for approximately 15 or more seconds until the plus-minus LEDs start to flash. Note that after 10 seconds, the dimmer's LEDs will all turn on to indicate that the dimmer is entering calibration mode. At this point, releasing the button prior to the full 15 seconds will cause the dimmer to rerun the automated minimum trim level calibration. Once the plus-minus LEDs start to flash, you've entered manual calibration mode. You can now press the on-off button to cycle through 12 preset trim levels, allowing you to select the optimal minimum trim level for your lights. When you've finished, press the paddle button to exit calibration and save the selected trim level. To set the maximum trim level, hold the paddle button down by pressing on the plus sign for approximately 10 seconds after the maximum brightness is reached. This will cause the plus-minus LEDs to flash and initiates manual calibration mode. You can now press the on-off button to cycle through 12 preset trim levels, allowing you to select the optimal maximum level trim for your lights. When you've finished, press the paddle button to exit calibration and save the selected trim level. Your dimmer's default setting supports forward phase loads such as incandescent halogen, fluorescent, magnetic low voltage, forward phase electronic low voltage, and most CFL and LED bulbs. However, you can modify this setting and adjust it to support reverse phase loads. This includes reverse phase electronic low voltage as well as CFL or LED bulbs that specify reverse phase dimming on the packaging. To select reverse phase dimming, go back to the manual minimum trim level calibration shown in setting 1. During this calibration, simply hold the on-off button for approximately 10 seconds to toggle between forward and reverse phase. The switch from forward phase dimming to reverse phase dimming is indicated when the flash rate of the LEDs slows from 3 Hz to 1 Hz. Please note that the reverse phase setting should never be used with magnetic low voltage lighting, or damage to the dimmer may occur. To disable or enable the locator light, turn the load off and hold the on-off button down for approximately 10 seconds. This allows you to toggle between enabled and disabled. Your dimmer is now programmed and ready for operation.